Blackthorn is happy to announce that Blackthorn Donations now supports one-click donations, and you can optionally ask for the average gift amount. Everyone's purchased something on Amazon, and you think about the experience where you don't have to re-enter your information every time you go to buy something. You already have your donors' names, you often have their address, and if they've donated to you before, you have their payment method. So with our one-click feature, we have the ability to pre-fill anything that you have on file, specifically the contact's name, their address, their default payment method that they've used before. And when you ask them for the donation, the only thing they have to verify is their billing postal code if you have one on file. There's two ways to do one-click donations. The simple way is that we have a default one-click donation field on the contact, and we're going to be demoing this today, as well as our configurable method, where you can form a custom URL that allows you to then include the average gift field as your merge field when you send this email out to your donors. Um, to send the actual email to your donors, you can use Salesforce's mass email using campaigns. You can use any email tool. So if you have like Pardot or Marketing Cloud or MailChimp, any of those are fine. And if you have an external SMS or text message application, you just need the ability to form the URL, which we'll show you today, and you need your donor's mobile phone number. So the way that this works is that within Salesforce, we have a few new features. We have our default payment method feature, and we also have our one-click donate link. This field here on contact is our simple type of method. Now, to enable default payment method, within our documentation, we have the ability to add some different fields onto your layout so you can see how these work. This is optional. It will work just by upgrading your version, but here is a doc that you can see how to customize all of those fields. Then to customize one-click donations, we then have another help article where you can see how to customize one-click donations with some basic overview. And you can also find a way to build your one-click donation URL, which we'll show you here briefly. So to set up one-click donations, if you want to set up your default form on the donation form record itself, you just set a checkbox. It's a new field called donate one-click donation form. I'm sorry, default one-click donation form, and you check this box, and that allows you to automatically have the donation form appear for the contact. Now, if you want to just copy and paste this link into an email to your donor, or if you want to put this link into a form that you send out, that brings you to this form. You can see it pre-filled my contact. It pre-filled a specified amount. This is specified on the donation form record. The frequency of that amount, as well as the payment method I have on file. And all I had to do is verify my billing postal code to be able to submit, say I'm not a robot, and go ahead and donate. But what if that's not enough? What if you want to be able to create a custom URL because you have a very variable type of approach, or you want to ask for the average gift amount? So average gift is a standard NPSP field, and it's the average of the related opportunities to that contact. And so all you have to do is include this field in your custom URL. So we have a help doc to build the custom URL where you include some basic merge fields, and we have an example down here of what that looks like. Now, this also works to put in specified amounts. So for instance, if we go ahead and simply click on this URL, you'll see that this will pre-fill all of the data from the designated contact. Now you'll see it's 110 bucks. We can also ask for, say, 1,000, because maybe, if you have someone that usually gives you 1,000, you don't want to ask for 20 bucks. Or if you have someone that usually gives you 20 bucks, you don't want to ask for 1,000. So this allows you to dynamically specify the amount that you want to give. So we hope this has been a useful video. If you have any questions, go ahead and email us support plus donations at blackthorn.io. Thanks.